Okay, this is a quick video to blow you away of the power of Logi and what's going on with the new Go.shopping website that they give you for free that automatically opens to the Amazon app and on your it's mind-blowing crazy what's going on with Logi and what they're giving away for free. But sometimes it's a little confusing. We were at the meeting that ran a little long. I would say, Ehud, you gotta stick to the advanced class and stop going over beginner stuff at the meeting so they'll last 2 hours long. But Ehud went over a couple things, and I just wanted to condense it a little bit so that anybody who wasn't at the meeting can see it. So here we go. We're going to go right over to Logi. Okay, here we are on Logi. Now we're going to come up to here. We're going to go to your storefront. You click your storefront, and it's going to bring you over to your Go.shopping. Okay. Now, Go.shopping is a very powerful website that you get for free when you're a Logi member. And up here it says Go.shopping/you didn't know. It's going to be your name up here / whatever you want. So Go.shopping, very simple to tell people. And you can, of course, you can customize this storefront. Okay. Now, first thing I'm going to do is these followers here. We're going to get rid of these. Now, I have more than 109 followers. Ehud, I have 357 Magnum. That's what I got the last time I checked. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these. So what am I going to do? I'm going to go back to the Logi page. All right, go down to settings. Let me move out of the way here. We're going to scroll down to the Go.shopping settings here. Click that. And we're going to display followers. We're not going to display the followers. I don't want them to see that because it's not true. Okay, I have more followers than they're showing, and we're going to save that. All right, so that we did. We'll move back over here now. I'm over here now. Then we're going to go back over to the storefront. All right, and again, remember we removed the followers, so now it's not there anymore. Okay, a little bit more private. Now look at this featured products. Now the problem is right now it's not ready, and you can't customize this as much as you would want to. All right, but here you got your home, and I have the featured products, and I'm going to show you how to put your featured products here in a second. You have your content, which is now all your content, your live shows, your live streams, which I don't have my most latest one up here, so I don't know what happened. Your shoppable videos, all your shoppable videos will be here, and all your product posts will be here. Right, excellent stuff. Now you go over here to products. Now I have collections. Now I can put collections on here so people can see, and I've made this my outdoor finds. There's 17 products in here. When they click the collections, all the links for all those items will be there. And this is how we're going to customize the page today. So first thing, let's do the collections. You're going to go back to the Logi page. You're going to come over onto the left, over here on the left where it says collections. Right? There's other ways to do it, but this is the simplest way. Right? And then up here you're going to add a collection. And you're just going to put your product in, you're going to add products. Okay, you can put your ASN in there. You can go to your products and pick products. Okay, you can go to the opportunities tabs and pick products. And so all you do is you create a new collection in there. Okay, and then when you do that, your collection will be up here on your daily deals page on the product section, right up on top so people can get them. Okay, so when you drive traffic to your Go.shopping page, it automatically opens up the Amazon app. They automatically signs them into their Amazon account. There's no two-step verification, so they have to sign into their Amazon account because that kills a lot of sales for people. That's what they think. All right, so now we got the collections. Let me show you how to do featured products. Okay, all you got to do on featured products is go back over here to your Logi page, products. So all I have to do is click this little star button. So these Hanes Men Ultimate Cotton, if I click the star, it'll make it a favorite. All right. Now let's go back over. Let's see if it works. We're gonna refresh the page. My featured products, and it's right there on my featured products. That worked great. That's awesome. Don't you love it when it works perfect? No glitches here. So this is my featured page, and so I have all my featured products. Now you can actually probably charge brands to be put on your featured page if you have an email list that you send in traffic to this website. Okay, which is probably what you should be doing, and your social media, sending them to this website. Fill up your featured products, and again your collections, add a few collections, and you can change them: spring collection, outdoor furniture, sporting goods, whatever, and customize it that way. All right. pretty cool little update on the Go Shopping. I can't wait to see what they're going to do with it next. More customizable. This is what Amazon isn't doing for us, is making it customizable. Okay, and of course you can change your banner and your profile and all of that kind of stuff. And again, remember we removed the followers, so now it's not there anymore. Okay, a little bit more private. All right, hope you learned something. Welcome to the land of Logi. Okay, you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it here. Okay, so if you're not a Logi member, there'll be a link down in the description. I'm gonna try to give you a code to get you into Logi under me, so that you can get in, because there's a waiting list. And if you mention my name, Ehud may let you in. You know, who knows if I'm still in good favor with the company. I should be. Yeah. So, but Logi's a great company and a great thing. So the link will be down there. Don't forget to sign up for Logi. You get a free website, go.shopping, that automatically opens onto Amazon app and automatically signs them into the Amazon app, I should say. That's powerful, very powerful, for free right now. Everything is free at Logi, okay? So join. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I got to pay the bills. Like and subscribe to the channel. And the next video that's popping up, YouTube thinks is the one you should see next. So give it a try, give it a click, and watch it all the way through.